Yo, it is I. I'm Ellen from Journey to the Mountain, and I'm with my friend right here, isn't he? And I could say the same thing too. And I have to considerably order some food here. And I'm sure Neo would be doing something else, doesn't think? Yeah? Not sure what's gone into Not sure what's gone into him, but I'm sure he would be fine after this, but no. I have a figure of like the robot from Animal Crossing, so I decided. Anyways, enough of me blabbering about something, so yeah. Neo, are you sure this is in fact safe? Safe? Sure, I would ramble. So sure, I would. Oh, you said you'll be fine then. Oh. Well, not sure how I can relate. Yeah, I'm quite going to be. How is that going to add anything? Neo, I am very concerned that this is going to like stop. Are you going to be okay with your stomach here? Okay, going to be with your stomach here, Ellen, I promise. Oh, you'll be fine soon. Oh, gosh. How is Laura going to react to this? Okay, this is okay. Calm down, Ellen. Just take a That is a sign it is overspiced! How long you're going to finish all that? I don't know. How long are you going to finish all that? Oh. Was not gentle. Blue? That's green, but alright. Neo, I'm no expert, but oh my gosh. What are you even doing at this rate? Come on. What the hell? More. Okay, we have to have something solved. My gosh. I hope your stomach. And most likely. That's going to This is it. Say rest in peace. Neo's stomach. Are those lobsters? They serve crabs. Whose cat is that? Whose cat is that? Oh, phew. Neo, please, I'm not sure how long you're... How long you're going to finish all that? Neo, please pray for your stomach. I think I want an ice cold water. Alright. Okay then. I assume you're gonna eat all that, and it's not looking too good, is it? Okay, that's few more. Okay, that's few more. Oh gosh, that was over. Oh, I was right. Hey, Neo! 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 What did I tell you? Eating all that spice! The janitor isn't going to be happy! What did I tell you, man? Your stomach has been ruptured! Your stomach has been ruptured! Oh my! I gotta call Aura now! No, come here right now!